Hey guys!
What's up, man?
How are you, Teddy? Doing well.
Hi, good to see you.
Now, we wanted to ask you though, how many surgeries have you undergone at this point?
I've had, well, Wednesday was my 36th.
Teddy had hydrocephalus right after he was born. He was born 20 weeks, so he was born premature, and he had a brain bleed which caused the hydrocephalus.
I understand that you're a fan of Dairy Queen blizzards. Is this true?
Yes.
Okay.
What we wanted to do was to see if you would bring your blizzard making and maybe your blizzard eating skills to our headquarters in Minneapolis sometime. We also think for the day you need to have something a little bigger, so we're going to also give you the title of Chief Blizzard Officer. How's that sound? You like it?
Hi, I'm Teddy. I'm the new Chief Blizzard Officer.
Hey Teddy, Adam, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I have your special badge here. This is going to give you exclusive access to our research and development lab where you're going to make all these great blizzard concoctions for us.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
It's nice to have you on board as our new Chief Blizzard Officer. We're pretty excited about that, Teddy.
Oh, the day you called me, I almost cried.
We're really excited to see what you're gonna create in terms of new Blizzard flavors for us.
Teddy, I want to present you with your uniform for the day as our Chief Blizzard Officer. What do you think?
Dream come true.
All right, well, here you go, my friend.
Hi, I'm Teddy Moore. I'm the official Chief Blizzard Officer for Dairy Queen today.
You are?
Yes,
So you're our new boss?
apparently.
Woo! That's so exciting!
Hi, I'm Teddy.
Teddy, hi. It's so nice to meet
Hi.
you. I'm Mary Joyce. You're my new
Hi.
boss.
Apparently.
I heard that. Let's get going.
Yay! I already know what I need.
Okay, what do you need?
Sunny, coconut, honey, banana, strawberry, blueberry, and peanut butter.
Whoa.
Zoe, I know what I remember the acai one that we've been talking about for a while.
Okay, coconut.
Turn a bit more.
A titch more. There you go.
Bananas. Zoe, this is a dream job.
There's so many ingredients
Yeah, I
in here
remember doing this.
that I'm probably gonna get sprayed. So I gotta put my collar up. You wanna eat this? Okay,
This one's taste testing it.
let's go over here.
1, 2, 3. That's so good.
So good.
I wanna cry.
Do you think we should let Troy try it?
No. Oh. Is it as good as you thought it would be? All right, what Mary have to say?
Oh, I thought it was great. I love the
All
blueberry.
right.
Blueberry and the bananas. I love blueberry and bananas. It's a really great combination.
Not bad, my friend.
Thank you.
Nicely done. How many ingredients were in that?
6.
We had a lot of franchisees doing a lot of things to raise funds for their local children's hospital.
Hi, welcome to Dairy Queen. May I please take your order?
A few of them started doing something to say, let's create a day that is really dedicated toward the local children's hospitals.
Hi, can I get the Summerberry Cheesecake Blizzard?
And those donations go to Children's Miracle Network hospitals and ultimately go to the local children's hospital within their particular area.
And the Oreo Blizzard with a Diet Coke?
Yes, please.
All right, thank you. Come again.
Teddy, I want to thank you for joining us today. You did a great job as our Chief Blizzard Officer. I hope you had a good time.
Yes, thank you. # dream job.